Welcome, my dear students in prep2. Today we will continue statistics. We will talk about the median, how to calculate the median if you have a set of numbers and if you have a frequency table. At first, if you have a set of numbers or a set of values, in this case, you will arrange the values, then the number in the middle is the median. If you have a frequency table or a frequency distribution, in this case, you will use the ascending or descending cumulative curve. We will discuss each of them separately. Okay, let's begin with if you have a set of values. Here, for example, I have a set of values and I want to calculate the median. The set of values here is 5, 11, 7, 14, and 10. I want to calculate the median, or I want to determine the median and also to determine the order of the median. It means that the median in which you place first or second or third or whatever. As we studied in prep 1, to calculate the median, the first step is to arrange the numbers. I'll arrange the numbers in an ascending order. So the values here will be 5, 7, 10, 11, and 14. The value in the middle is the median. So 10 is the median. Okay, what is the order of this median? As we can see that 10 is the third number, so the order is third. Okay, also we can calculate the order of the median if you have odd numbers by dividing. I'll add 1 to the numbers and divide by 2. Here we have 5 numbers, so 5 plus 1 over 2 is 3. Okay, so you can determine the order of the median by just looking to the numbers and see where is number 10, first or second or third or fourth or whatever. Or you can use this rule: if you have an odd numbers, then add 1 to the number, then divide by 2. So the order is 3 or the third. The same. The second example here, the value. Here I want to calculate the median or to determine the median and the order of the median. But in this case, I have even number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 numbers. By the same way, the first step is to arrange them. This is the ascending order for the numbers. Look at the numbers. What is the number in the middle? Here we have 2 numbers in the middle, 4 and 6, because we have 2 numbers before and 2 numbers after them. So in the middle, we have 4 and 6. 4 is not the median, 6 is not the median. The median will be summation over 2. So I'll add 4 plus 6, then divide by 2. So the median is 5. Okay, what is the order of the median? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the median is third and fourth. Also, we have a rule. In this case, I'll divide the number by 2, then add 1. So we have 6 over 2 is 3, so this is the third. And 6 over 2 plus 1 is 4, so third and fourth. Okay, this is if you have a set of values. What about if you have a frequency table? If you have a frequency distribution, in this case, we will form ascending cumulative curve. Ascending cumulative table. Then we will draw ascending cumulative curve, and then we can get the median. Let's take this example. The following table shows the frequency distribution of marks of 50 students. Find the median marks of the students. At first, I want to form the frequency table. This is the frequency table. This is ascending cumulative frequency table. We have a frequency table here given, and I form another table for the ascending cumulative frequency curve. I'll start with less than 0. Here we have 0. Is there any number less than 0? This is the upper boundaries of the set. There is no numbers less than 0 because the sets here start from 0. Okay, so I write 0. What about less than 10? This is 10, so the less than 10 is 2. Okay, then less than 20, I have 2 and 5. Less than 20 is 5 and 2, which is 7. Less than 30, 2 plus 5 plus 8, so 15. Less than 40, by the same way, 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 19, it will be 34. Less than 50, by the same way, 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 19 plus 14, it will be 48. Then I'll add 2 to get less than 60. Okay, this is how to form the ascending cumulative table. I'll take the upper boundaries of the set. So I'll calculate the frequency less than 0, then less than 10, less than 20, and so on. Now we form the ascending cumulative table. Then we should draw the ascending cumulative frequency curve by the same way. I'll choose a suitable scale, then I'll draw the curve. Okay, the points will be 0 with 0, 10 with 2, 20 with 7, 30 with 15, like here. Look at here, 30 with 15, between 20 and 10 and 20. 60 with 50, this is 60 with 50. So the points are here in the table. The first point 0 with 0, the second point 10 with 2, the third 20 with 7, the fourth 30 with 15, and so on. Okay, now where is the median? Okay, I didn't calculate the median until now. To get the median from the ascending cumulative curve or from the descending cumulative curve, at first I'll calculate the order of the median. The order of the median will be the total number here divided by 2. So 50 over 2 is 25. Then go to the frequency axis and look at 25. 25, it means between 20 and 30. So 25 is here. Okay. Go to the curve. This is the intersection point. Then go down to get the median. This is the median. The median is approximately 36. Okay, this is how to calculate or to determine the median from a frequency table using the ascending cumulative frequency curve. What about the descending cumulative frequency curve? By the same way, but in this case, I'll start from the lower boundaries of the sets. Okay, I at first 0 and more. From 0 and more, it means the summation of all the numbers. 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 19 plus 14 plus 2, it will be 50. Then 10 and more, I'll start from 5, then plus 8 plus 19 plus 14 plus 2, so 48. 20 and more, 8 plus 19 plus 14 plus 2, it will be 43. 30 and more, 19 plus 14 plus 2, it will be 35. Then 40 and more, I start from 14 and 2 only. 14 plus 2 is 16. Then 50 and more, it will be 2. And finally 60 and more, there is no numbers greater than 60, so 0. Okay, by the same way, we have points 0 with 50, 10 with 48, 20 with 43. I'll draw the descending cumulative curve. Then by the same way, I'll get the median. The order of the median will be 50 over 2. Then from 25, go to the frequency curve, the cumulative frequency curve, then down to get the median. Also it will be 36. So you can notice that we can use the ascending or descending cumulative frequency curve to get the median. In both the median will be the same for each cases if you use ascending or descending cumulative frequency curve. You can draw the two curves on the same chart. In this case, the intersection point between the two curves will be the median. Okay, it will be if you want to get to the median will be in the x-axis, which is the sets, and the order of the median will be in the y-axis, which is the frequency. Okay, I hope you have understand. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.